Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to add music in Bigo Live. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to add and play music while live streaming on Bigo Live, then you need to tap Open your Bigo Live application first and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap on the big blue button at the bottom of the screen, and now from the bottom of the page, select Audio Live. At the top of the page, right where it says Add a title to chat, type in the title for your audio live. Select the audience for your live stream by tapping on the public button. You can control who can enter the room by selecting one of the options over here and tap on Save. And now, after you're done, tap on Go Live. A countdown will begin. Now you can simply tap on the menu button at the bottom of the screen, and from the pop-up, tap on Music. Tap on the plus button with the music icon in it in order to add a music. Go ahead and search through your library to add and play music on Bigo Live. Once you find the music that you'd like to add, tap on the plus button right next to it, and you've added a music. You can also add multiple music at once. Simply tap on the plus button to add them to the queue. Now you can go back to the main live stream page and tap on the music icon. If you do that, you can control the sound of your music that is playing in the background and the playlist. To play the music, tap on the play button from the control panel, and you'll be able to see that the music is being played in the background. In order to end your live broadcast, go and click on the cross icon at the top right corner, and from the pop-up, select Quit Broadcast. That is how you'll be able to add music on Bigo Live and play it on your Bigo Live background. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.